In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a Squarespace domain. If you want your domain to point visitors to a different site or a specific URL, Squarespace makes this easy with domain forwarding rules. You'll do everything right inside your account, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get it done in just a few minutes. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening your account dashboard. From there, select the website that manages the domain you want to forward. This ensures you're working in the right place, especially if you have multiple sites or domains connected to your account. Next, open the domains area to see the full list of domains for that site. Find the one you want to forward and click it. This takes you into that domain settings where you can set up the forwarding rule. Inside the domain settings, click Website. Under Domain Forwarding Rules, choose Add Rule. This is where you'll tell Squarespace what should forward and where it should go. In the Forward From field, enter the host you want to forward. If you want to forward the root or apex of your domain, think example.com, type the @ symbol. If you prefer to forward a specific subdomain like www or blog, type that instead. The @ symbol only covers the root, and a subdomain entry only covers that subdomain, so set each one intentionally based on how you want traffic to behave. Now, in the forward to field, enter the full destination URL, including https at the beginning. For example, https:/destination.com or https:/destination.com/landing. Using the full secure URL prevents issues and ensures visitors land exactly where you expect. Keep the destination URL stable and avoid pointing a domain back to itself to prevent redirect loops. Choose the redirect type that fits your goal. Select permanent or 301 if this change is intended to be long-term. A 301 is best for SEO, and browsers may cache it. Select temporary or 302 if it's a short-term or testing redirect. You can change this later, but be aware that 301s can stick in browser caches for a while. Click Save to apply the rule. Changes typically take effect quickly, but they may take a few minutes to propagate. To test, open a new browser window or an incognito tab and type the domain you forwarded. If it doesn't update right away, give it a little time or try another network to rule out caching. And that's it. You've set up domain forwarding in Squarespace by selecting your site, opening domains, choosing your domain, adding a forwarding rule, specifying the source, entering the full destination URL, picking 301 or 302, and saving your changes.